Hey everyone, welcome back to the Boston Scrub channel. Today, we're diving into a key part of our production process, our large automatic dryer. If you've ever wondered how we maintain the high quality of our medical scrubs while keeping production efficient, this video is for you. When it comes to drying fabrics, manual methods can really slow things down. Not only does it take a lot of time, but there's also a higher chance of inconsistencies. With manual drying, we risk uneven drying, which can lead to fabric damage or delayed production times. And let's be honest, in a fast-paced environment like ours, we can't afford those delays. That's why we use our large automatic dryer. This machine is a game changer. It can handle huge loads of fabric at once, drying them evenly and efficiently. With precise temperature control and automated cycles, we ensure that every piece comes out perfectly dried, ready for the next steps in production. Using this technology not only speeds up our process, but also improves the quality of our scrubs. The dryer minimizes the risk of damage to the fabric, which means our scrubs are more durable and comfortable for medical professionals. So here's how it fits into our workflow. After cutting and sewing our premium fabrics, they go straight into the large automatic dryer. This allows us to maintain a smooth production line. We can quickly move from drying to quality control, making sure every scrub meets our high standards. At Boston Scrub, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality, affordable medical scrubs that professionals can trust. The large automatic dryer plays a crucial role in this, helping us keep our production efficient and our costs low. If you're looking for durable, high-quality scrubs, look no further. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more behind-the-scenes insights into our production process. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.